The tragic fire incident at Utumishi Girls Academy in Kenya is a painful reminder that fire does not only destroy buildings, it destroys lives, dreams, investments, memories, and years of hard work in minutes. One of the biggest misconceptions in construction is that fire safety is simply having fire extinguishers mounted on walls. In reality, true fire safety begins long before the building is occupied. It starts at design stage. A building can look beautiful, modern, and expensive, yet still become a death trap during a fire emergency if critical systems are ignored. Some of the major fire safety issues that every property developer, property owner, apartment owner, school, church, hotel, hospital, and all institutions should pay attention to include proper emergency exits and escape routes, adequate exit widths and escape distances, fire-resistant materials and compartmentation, smoke detection and alarm systems, sprinkler and suppression systems, accessible firefighting equipment, electrical safety and load management, emergency lighting and signage, safe assembly points, staff and occupant fire drills and training, and compliance with building codes and fire regulations. A fire emergency is not the time to discover that staircases are too narrow, exits are locked, corridors are obstructed, alarms are non-functional, or occupants do not know where to run. Premium clients today are increasingly realizing that safety is part of luxury. A truly high-value building is not only aesthetically impressive, but also it protects human life intelligently. In the built environment, prevention is always cheaper than tragedy. The cost of integrating proper fire safety measures during design and construction is minimal compared to the cost of lawsuits, rebuilding, safety measures, business interruption, injuries, fatalities, reputational damage, and emotional trauma after a fire incident. This is where fire safety engineers and fire consultants become extremely important. Welcome to this episode of Client Education. I'm Architect Oliver Odur. Fire safety engineers or fire consultants, they help developers and institutions to design safer buildings, predict fire behavior, plan evacuation systems, integrate compliant fire protection systems, conduct fire risk assessments, ensure regulatory compliance, reduce liability and insurance risk, and ultimately save lives. They are not a luxury add-on. They are life safety professionals whose expertise can mean the difference between controlled evacuation and catastrophe. As cities grow vertically and buildings become more complex, fire safety should no longer be treated as an afterthought. It must become a core design priority. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.